So hey everybody, today I thought that I would just sit at my desk and film. I'm joking, we are in IKEA.
Yeah, there's like a tag behind you.
We're on IKEA, as you can tell, and I thought I'd film a video because I can't be bothered to film anything else. Woo!
I'm back from Narnia. Ow! I'm such a princess. You.
Guys!
Elise?
I've been expecting you.
Feel like such a rebel right now.
No one reacted.
Oh right, you're still filming.
Davit. 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 I think we're invisible to like everyone. Guys.
But there, something.
No. Oh my god. Caitlin. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on, we have to go up on the sofa now.